Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A20s. And to do this, open up your app or any web page that you want to take a full page screenshot of. Then make the combination of power key and volume down key at the same time. Press on it like that. It will make a screenshot. Now let's allow to access photos. And right here you can see this button. Click on it to begin scrolling down the page and click on it until you're satisfied with the amount of your screenshot. So here we are at the bottom. Now let's click on that screenshot. It should open, and as you can see, it's in a full page. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.